for this year is
God is with us.
Jesus, not exaggerating. So, greetings and welcome to God's Shepherd Ministry final reflect for 2023. And our theme for tonight is
The choice is mine. Make your choice today.
again.
The choice is mine. Make your choice today.
Yeah.
To God be the glory. Forever, ever, amen.
Beginning when I look up for being it's the most important thing in the spirit. If I want to God, let God open the chamber of the heart and fill you with His mercy and grace.
Pelutia ipua valene folaunga Peluta luta ifea lene vasa O te tuva e luona o e o lo tua O te savali pea o te leto e te paitua O ala Ele mawhai o na malu e lue ai Lua nganga ua na oe O te wha moe moe i ai Ia tau i manu e fōlaunga Au noa ma le wha vai vai Lo mato tama oi le langi na pipitia ai mamauala A oala ua whanoai le maunola E whaafolinga o se mea e whaatauwa Ai e ngase ai lava le tautai whaatamala Poani atu malunga Mamana onga olo uloto E hui mangalo ya te oele atua Ole tauta i poto Fai alo fina ngalo Ai leo sauta